Hello everyone, for today's video we're comparing two smart cocktail makers, the Bartesian and the Drinkworks. So let's see which one mixes up the better home bar experience. So first up, the drink variety and the system. So the Bartesian uses capsules containing real juice concentrates, extracts, and bitters. So you provide the base spirits, giving you control over the alcohol brand and strength. The Drinkworks system uses pre-made pods that contain both the alcohol and the mixers, offering a very streamlined but less customizable experience. So next, let's talk about the ease of use and cleanup. So the Drinkworks system is incredibly simple with one-touch drink preparation and minimal cleanup. The Bartesian, on the other hand, requires a bit more involvement as you need to add the spirits, but still relatively easy to use and clean. So let's consider the drink quality and taste. So the Bartesian with its real juice concentrates often produces cocktails that taste closer to those made by a professional bartender. The Drinkworks, on the other hand, while convenient, can sometimes produce cocktails that taste slightly artificial due to the pre-made pods. Now, the pod capsule availability and cost are important factors. So the Bartesian capsules are widely available online in some retail stores. The Drinkworks pods, while convenient, are only available from a few select retailers. It has been discontinued, which raises concerns about the long-term pod availability. Now let's talk about the price and value. So the Bartesian machine itself is typically more expensive than the Drinkworks. However, the cost per drink can be more manageable with Bartesian, depending on the spirits you choose. Now, the Drinkworks systems can be more affordable upfront, but the pod cost can add up quickly since it's been discontinued. So ultimately, the best choice depends on your individual needs and preferences. The Bartesian is a great choice for those who want more control over their cocktails and prioritize taste. The Drinkworks was a compelling option for those who value ultimate convenience and simplicity, but its discontinuation must be considered. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful comparison reviews.